Do data protection, laws requiring consent to process my data. Imagine walking into a store and being asked if you want to share your personal details before they can help you. That's similar to what data protection laws are trying to do. They want you to know when your data is being used and give you control over it. In many parts of the world, especially in the European Union, there are rules called the General Data Protection Regulation. These rules say that companies need a good reason to use your data. One reason is your clear permission, called consent. But it's not the only reason they can process your data. They can also do so if they need to fulfill a contract with you, follow the law, protect your health or safety, do a task in the public interest, or if they have a legitimate reason that doesn't hurt your rights. When a company asks for your consent, it must be clear and easy to understand. You should know exactly what data they want, why they want it, and how they will use it. Giving consent should be a real choice, not something you do just to continue using a website or app. You should also be able to change your mind and withdraw your consent whenever you want. There are some cases where consent is the only way a company can use your data. For example, if they want to process sensitive information like health records or ethnicity, they need your explicit permission. The same applies if your data is used for automated decisions or shared outside the European Union. These rules protect your privacy more strictly in these situations. In the United States, the rules are different. There is no single law like the General Data Protection Regulation. Instead, different states and sectors have their own rules. Some states requiring companies to get your permission before collecting sensitive data. Others only need to give you notice and let you opt out. For children under the age of 13, federal law called the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act requires parental approval before collecting their data. Knowing your rights means understanding that companies can process your data without always needing your permission. But if they do need your consent, it must be genuine and informed. Always read privacy notices and consent requests carefully. Don't assume your data is being used just because you are on a website. Ask questions if you're unsure about what data is being collected and why. You have the right to access your data, correct mistakes, or delete it if you want. Staying informed helps you protect your privacy and make smarter choices about sharing your information.